Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. It's the 2619FK. Front kitchen, opposing sitting areas, telescoping TV you can see here. Huge master bedroom in the back. Nice large shower. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, stay at the entry door looking in. As soon as you come in, you got your front kitchen, your slide out, standing at the front looking back. Nice conversation area, opposing theater seat and dinette, telescoping TV. Your bathroom separates your bedroom from the rest of the camper. We're going to start up front. So just like the 2608, very popular front kitchen, you got that huge windshield. You do have a shade that drops down. You've got charging areas, nice overhead storage, magnets, in addition to the dark hardware. Your WeRV, control your lights, check your holding tanks, your awning, your slides, all in one convenient area. And you got a great pantry. Lots of drawer storage. Again, obviously lots of countertop space. Soft close drawers. And then you've got your griddle for outside and good storage here. Large Magic Chef oven, LED lights on the handles, flush cover. That acts as a nice splash guard there for that 3-burner range. Exhaust, does exhaust outside, and you got the nice size microwave. Maxxair fan. This is the optional one, so we added this. It's got the cover on the roof. You got the standard one in the bathroom with the cover as well. Fuse panel, circuit breaker down low. And then as soon as you come in, you got more drawers and more storage here. 5/8 plywood in the floor, linoleum throughout. You've got ducted AC. We did equip this with 2 air conditioners, both ducted. The refrigerator, 12-volt, Magic Chef. A couple nice features are water filtration, but one thing they give you with Rockwood is the TST. So the tire monitoring system, check your pressure, temperature. I mean, a nice safety feature that Rockwood includes. They also give you this book, which they organize and go through with your model numbers, serial numbers, and then your QR code specifically for this camper. So nice thing here that they do nice and neat. And obviously you don't keep it in the fridge, but you can keep track of everything instead of being loose everywhere. Outside shower, hose, the mount for your TV bracket, and your LP line. So a lot of goodies. One thing about this fridge I like is you can open it. So dual hinge, you can open from either side. And then you got your freezer down low. Flush slide, the theater seat, tons of cup holders, storage, and then on the seat you've got the pull cord for the recliners. We've got the, I'll say day night, but the solar and the blackout Rollershades, and your windows do open. Fire escape window, you got lights throughout. Solar controller, your thermostat, and you got heat ducts not in the floor. And you got receptacles throughout. Your door here that separates the bathroom, if you don't want to look at your bathroom, has got the magnet stopper there to close that off. Booth dinette. Standard booth does make into a bed, so comfortably 3 to 4 you can sleep in this. Drawers down low. And then underneath, you can see there's no pedestal. So you can slide this table one way or the other, someone with longer legs. You can take it out all together. And then one nice thing here on the table is it's very easy to drop down and make it into a bed, take it outside. This table is very user-friendly. And then we'll take a look at that made into a bed. All right, table in, cushions down, there's your second bed. So small adult, 2 kids, sleeping. Cushions, I've got Velcro. That is a great way for the table to travel. It's on Velcro, it's on the tabs, but very nice setup and breakdown of the booth dinette. Your telescoping TV, you've got charging areas on both sides. You've got that day-night or solar and blackout shade. But if you want the natural light, you've got a control here. Touch of a button drops that TV down into the cabinet. Gives you that much more little countertop space to put drinks and stuff, but opens up that window. People say they don't want TV, they're camping, not watching TV. Well, there you go. TV's gone, out of sight, out of mind. So very nice setup there with that. All right, moving through. They don't like the pass-through bathroom. I mean, this, by doing this, they give you that squared off shower. So a nicer shower. I'm 6'5". I got plenty of headroom in here. Probably 3, maybe 2 more inches. You got the shower miser. Glass enclosed. Nice room around the toilet. Accent LED lights. Little storage. Receptacles. And nice room around the sink. Medicine cabinet and towel bars throughout. And then tons of space here for storing your bathroom stuff. Maxxair fan I told you about. This one's standard. Got the cover on the roof. Then you got another solid door again with a magnet to close this off. In the bedroom, you've got a door to get in and out. And you can see it doesn't take up that much room when you put these step above steps in here. So if you were to have them up, you still can get around pretty easily. Queen walk around bed. Windows on either side that open. Night lights, spotlights. Second thermostat for that second AC. One of the best things I know about the ROCKWOODs. Look at the framing on this bed. Aluminum frame. It's not 2 blocks of wood. It is very well made. The frame for the bed, the frame for the base. Drawers underneath, shocks that hold it up, nice handle to close it. You can do a king bed in this. This is a queen. You'd lose the little nightstands, charging areas, overhead storage, heat ducts. At the base of the bed, you've got drawers, nice wardrobe, hanging space with the mirrors. TV's on a swivel arm, so you got the second TV in here. And again, AC's ducted throughout. So your brand new 2025 Forest River ROCKWOOD Ultralight, the 2619FK. Competing with that 2608, you want the more living space, sofa dinette on the slide, you'd want the 2608. You like the conversation area, you like the telescoping TV, you like the bigger shower, 2619. Let's work our way outside, take a look out there. Hey guys, before we head outside, always remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. And remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, moving to the outside, your automotive windshield, ROCKWOOD Ultralight logo, 2 30-pound LP bottles, your auto leveling system. You've got a 7-pin and chain holder. Box for 2 batteries. It will come with 1, but you've got the ability to add 1 parallel. Rock guard, Nice cap and your LED light up front, which is controlled here by your docking light. The 2619 has got a dry weight of 6,801 pounds. Here's some storage here with these slam latch, easy to use doors. Exhaust for your range. We did equip this with slide toppers. Your front gray tank pull valve. Another storage area, which is here. Again, still with the slam latch. Frameless windows. In between the slides, you see you got your Goodyear Endurance tires, 15-inch. There are those leveling pads there on the back. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Your convenience area's got your tank flush, cable, satellite, winterization, and water hookup, all nice and easy to access, close to your outside shower. Your pull valves for your black and gray tank here. The other storage areas here in the back, there's your prep table, power cord, backup crank. They give you these nice magnets. Again, you can see this framing here, and again, slam latch doors with the magnets. Moving around back, your spare tire, fresh water fill. You're prepped for backup camera. I got a factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. All right, up on the roof, 2 ACs, TV antenna, 2 Maxxair fans, both with covers, your skylight. We did the extra solar panel, and they're the top of those slide toppers. You've got a receiver, so you can slide the spare tire over, and you've got a 300-pound weight rating on this 2-inch receiver. So you can do a bike rack, storage bin. It's not for towing, but gives you the ability for a little bit more storage to the frame. Moving around to the campsite, you got a full-length power awning with the support arm in the middle, LED lights. Both entry doors have the large assist handle and the step above entry steps. As you can see, the steps fold right up in. You've got the Lippert screen door that closes for you. You've got the shade. Friction hinge on the door stays where you leave it. Your outside speakers already got the mount for your TV you can bring outside. And that prep table and griddle come right outside here and hook. And that tees right off of your LP line, which is here. There are the steps down with the easy adjust trigger. And then again, friction hinge on the door, stays where you leave it. You've got prep here for a portable solar panel, trickle charge those batteries for you. But that's it, your brand new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight, the 2619FK. Remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, slides in. You can still get in about halfway of the fridge. You can still get a milk jug in and out. So if you needed to, you could. And then you'd be going through the bedroom door to get into the bathroom on this one.